Alright, I have to get something off my chest before we even talk about the Nothing Phone 4B. Remember when Nothing first entered the smartphone market? You could spot one from across the room. Transparent elements, bold industrial styling, and a design that actually made people ask, what phone is that? It felt different, but lately, I'm not so sure. Don't get me wrong, the Glyph lights are still there. They're still unique and they still make Nothing phones stand out at night. But if you cover those LEDs, what are you left with? To me, it's starting to look like just another slab phone in a sea of Android devices. The cameras are arranged like everyone else's. The front is another flat display with symmetrical bezels. The overall silhouette isn't nearly as distinctive as what made Nothing exciting in the first place. Now, that's just my opinion, and plenty of people may actually prefer this cleaner look. But for a brand literally built around standing out, becoming more conventional feels like a step in the wrong direction. With that out of the way, let's talk about the new Nothing Phone 4B. Nothing has been steadily teasing the Phone 4B ahead of its official launch, giving us a detailed look at its new design along the way. The company has shown off a cleaner rear panel with cameras that sit much closer to the body while retaining the signature Glyph interface. Interestingly, the Phone 4A remains available alongside the new 4B, suggesting that Nothing plans to sell both models at the same time rather than treating the 4B as a direct replacement. However, the company hasn't officially explained how the two series will coexist going forward. For India, Nothing has also teased a special RCB edition inspired by Royal Challengers Bengaluru. It comes with exclusive red color and custom software touches, making it one of the company's most localized special editions yet. But there is a catch. It's an ultra-limited in-person drop. You can only get it for one day, July 7th, by physically going to the Nothing store in Bengaluru. It is strictly first come, first served, and there is currently no online release planned. As for the hardware, the Phone 4B is shaping up to be a serious budget contender. It's expected to feature a Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor and a large 120Hz AMOLED display. But the biggest selling point might be endurance, with leaks pointing to a massive battery capacity somewhere between 5,400 and a whopping 6,000 mAh. For the cameras, we are expecting a 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS paired with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter up front. Combined with pricing aimed below the Phone 4A lineup, those specifications make it a really solid option for buyers looking for a balance between performance and affordability. The design, however, has sparked plenty of discussion online. What do you think? Is the Phone 4B a natural evolution of Nothing's design language, or is the company slowly losing the identity that made it stand out from the crowd? Let me know in the comments. Peace.